Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete multiple Google Docs at once. So open up any web browser like Chrome or Safari, then open up the Google Docs website just like you are seeing right now. Then you can see the documents right here listed at the bottom, recent documents. So if I try to select more than one, it won't let me select it. Okay, so I can't delete it from the Google Docs website. There is no option for it. However, I can delete multiple docs from the Google Drive website. So open up the Google Drive website and log into your account in which the Google Docs are saved. Okay, now you can see all the documents that are listed here in the Google Drive. They are present in the Google Docs website. Okay, so again I'm going to the Google Drive website. Now press Control from the in Windows and Command on Mac, then click on the files that you want to delete. Okay, so I'm going to select multiple documents right here. All right, then at the top you can see the trash bar is there, move to trash. So if I click here, now all the untitled documents along with this one, so click on the trash option and now they are all deleted. Okay, so if I go here and refresh them, then few of these documents will disappear. Okay, they disappeared automatically without refreshing. Okay, so this is how you're going to delete multiple Google Docs document at once. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.